What's good, y'all? It is the next, or it is later in the weekend, 2 days later.
Look at how much space I got to get in. It's so spacious.
I know. Wow. We are headed to you guys' favorite local meet, Rockwell Modified, the one from before. My face is still fit. All right. Anyways, yeah, we're headed to the local meet. Dang is taking the N, and I am taking the Z today. Here we go. I forgot to get the cold start for you guys, I'm sorry. But here we go, we're going to the car wash now. Yeah. Okay, I got change. Okay, I'll switch out a 5. Alright, I got a startup for y'all now that I'm here. What the heck? We're about 5 minutes from the show. Got Dang behind me. Yeah, there she is. We're almost there though. Excited to be here. We are here pretty early. Shut your ass up. Dude, I love that color of Integra. That green is my favorite.
I think she's coming. Coils.
Yeah.
Wanted to put on.
Go on your roll with the 300 after this.
So I think mainly it's gonna be in a Plano area. So it's like it's long. It's like.
Yeah.
You give them the paper.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So I see myself in car wash.
Yeah, that's the best though. Like, you know you're gonna have
off. Trying to get a new cold air intake. Because the air just goes through here. Just like kind of stupid how this intake is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want to get like a blocked-in one that guides the air into it.
It's kind of like the same one that I have, the InGen long tube. Recognize that plate frame. The guy with the 300 also has it.
Yeah, I like it. Anytime I see a car with spinners, my jaw drops. I'm like, oh, it's so fun.
I didn't know you were driving a Tomei Genesis, bro.
It's not this.
I'm fucking playing, bro.
That's Tomei car.
Dude, this is a Tomei car? Me too. Wait, I didn't know they made the same car.
This is crazy. You can play games in this thing.
Oh shit, what? Oh, this is actually crazy.
Tokyo Shijutsu Underground. Yeah, this is turning 20 years old this year.
Really?
Yeah, that's my
turning 20 next year. Yeah, this one's like my
Yeah, see, if he ride like this, I would have never thought bros are fast.
Oh, that look good. Yeah, that's nice.
That is nice.
It's been a really chill day. Yeah. A lot of people just chatting with each other, having a good time, doing whatever. But just enjoying the beautiful weather, hanging out with people, talking to people. But yeah, we're all heading out now. Everyone's on their way out. Of course these guys show up when everyone's leaving, but here we go. I'll get you guys these last two before we go. More people showing up late as fuck. Here we go though. Alright, Joe. Today I received... Hi Conan, thank you. I received a package from one of my friends out in California, Sacramento area. He does pictures of lowriders and that kind of aesthetic. His name is D. You can follow him on Instagram, also Cochise. But I got some prints from him. Very, very cool, very exciting. They finally came. I've been waiting for these for a while. But he takes very cool pictures of the lowrider scene and was able to get me some prints here. I thought they were very cool. I'm excited to have these out in the house. Very awesome. Thank you. Thanks, D. Appreciate you, man. Go check him out on Instagram and Twitter and all that sort of stuff. Get you some prints. Also, sometime between that meet and these next clips here, I got a Ryobi 1800 pressure washer. Picked up some of the other parts that a lot of people recommend, like this stubby gun. I do plan on getting that Uber Flex hose so that it'll be easier and I don't have to pick this thing up as much. It's probably my only complaint about that so far. But I'm really liking washing my own car instead of having to kind of go to these random car washes before meets and find that time. So yeah, it's been really therapeutic and helpful. So yeah, enjoy these next clips of me kind of hanging out with my friend and using this new toy of mine.
What's your Saturday night type shit normally looking like?
I'm not working.
Yeah.
What's your name? What's your name?
Crush on Tachyon from this band. Oh, always. Hello.